Hello, my name is Cristina McLamb and welcome to my home in Brooklyn. I'm a makeup artist and definite skincare enthusiast, and I'm coming to you very fresh-faced today because sometimes it's really good to take a break from makeup. So I highly recommend all my makeup wearers out there to, maybe take a day off this week or two. So I want to chat about these guys behind me. These are sprouted broccoli seeds. And I've had a lot of lovely comments and loads of questions with regards to my IG stories and my sprouts. So why am I doing this, and why might you consider investing in some time and effort to sprout your own broccoli seeds, which is super easy, by the way. So I won't go into the logistics as to how to go about actually sprouting, because there's loads of information online, YouTube, websites, so you can definitely check that out. But I just want to talk about some of the benefits. So there's a particular compound we're after here, and it's called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is found in all kinds of cruciferous vegetables. However, the highest concentration is found in sprouted broccoli seeds. So why do we want sulforaphane in our bodies? It's awesome. Just go look this stuff up. The anti-cancer documentation, the brain health, the gut health, there's so many things. But specifically skin-related, since we're interested in skincare here, there's three main ways, and they're really spectacular. One is the detoxification aspect. But it doesn't just add antioxidants to our bodies. This is the amazing part. It actually boosts the antioxidant capacity of our existing cells. That's amazing. And that has such far-reaching effects because it doesn't obviously just boost the sulforaphane capacity, it's all the antioxidants we put in our bodies. We've just given ourselves like a supercharge in the antioxidant department. Who doesn't want that, right? The second aspect is it actually activates our heat shock proteins. I don't really even understand the chemical process, how it would do that. Heat shock proteins are activated like when we're in the sauna, for example, but it has been shown, heat shock protein activation has been shown to really slow down the aging process. So again, who doesn't want that? The third way, and for all my people who love the sun, myself included, listen up here, because this has some really powerful effects with regards to sun damage. What it does, it doesn't reverse the current damage that we do have, but it does have these properties that mobilizes our defenses when we're exposed to UV light. So basically what I'm saying here is if we're going to be out in the sun, particularly in like the summer months, crank up your sulforaphane intake because it will mitigate a degree of damage that could be caused, just stopping it from happening. That is a huge situation right there. So those are three main and pretty big reasons to consider sulforaphane in our diet. So as I said, I'm not going to go into the logistics onto how to actually do this. However, I will give you this little tip when, they're drying out right now because I just cleaned them this morning. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pop them in the freezer, because when you freeze them, the chemical molecular structure changes and it actually makes them even more potent. So a little more bang for your buck there. And what I've been doing is adding them in my morning smoothie. Now, just to be completely forthcoming, they are not the most delicious thing you're going to have in your body. They're not terrible by any means, but that's strong. Like when you pop open that bag, I swear you can smell the sulforaphane in there. So when I put them in my morning smoothie, which is very green, I will add mint and lemon in it, or some kind of citrus basically, and it does help kind of mitigate the intensity, makes it a little easier to go down. Anyhow, I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. I would love to hear from you, and thanks for watching.